Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its main active compound, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may support overall health. Here are 6 amazing health benefits of turmeric. Number 1. Reduces inflammation. Curcumin helps reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to many diseases, including arthritis and heart disease. Number 2. Rich in antioxidants. It helps neutralize harmful free radicals and may protect your cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Number 3. Supports heart health. Turmeric may improve blood vessel function and help lower the risk of cardiovascular disease when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Number 4. Promotes brain health. Some studies suggest curcumin may support memory and increase brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which is important for healthy brain function. Number 5. Reduces joint pain. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory effects, turmeric may help reduce pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis. Number 6. Supports digestion. It may help stimulate bile production and relieve mild digestive discomfort in some people. For better absorption, try turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, and consume it with a meal that contains healthy fats.